Hi guys, Daniel here and welcome back to another one of my Amazon Fire TV how-to videos. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can control your Fire TV with your smartphone instead of the normal remote that comes with it. There might be a few reasons why you want to do this. Maybe they've lost the remote, it's broken, or the batteries have failed, or you just want the convenience of doing it from your phone, like most things. So the first thing we need to do is we obviously need a smartphone. It can be Apple running iOS or Samsung Google phone running Android. For that you'd need to go to the Play Store. Obviously for Apple it's the App Store, nice and easy. So just download the app. So we want the Amazon Fire TV app. Download that. It won't take a minute because it's quite a small app. Okay. Before you go any further, make sure the phone and the TV, the Fire TV, stick or cube, is both on the same wireless network. That's important because they need to communicate with each other. So we'll open the app up and then it'll ask for local network access, connect device. You need to say allow. I've already connected to this before, so normally it would look like this. It would have a list of Fire TVs here. This works with the stick and the cube, and you can control multiple Fire TVs from your phone. So give it a few seconds just to search, and sometimes what happens is it comes up with the IP addresses and not the names. So if we just relaunch it, it'll then come up with the names, as you can see, and it's finding them now. So we can just do back bedroom Fire TV cube and it's connecting. Now, important thing is when you first do this, the TV will have a pin on it that you need to enter on your app. So for example 5052, and enter it on the app. This just ensures it is you actually using it. So as you can see, it's like a normal remote, but it's just on the screen. You can go up and down. There's loads of features on this. This is filming this in 2025, so they may change it. You've got your voice searching if you use that. You've got your keyboard. You've got obviously the main controls, pausing and all that sort of stuff. You've got quick access, and if you click that there, quick access to the apps, just telling you what it is, and this is all your apps installed, so you can click them and go straight to it. And you do have a touchpad. If you click them three dots and touchpad, settings will bring the normal settings up. So if we go to touchpad, this allows you just to scroll down, see, like that, and then you can just tap to select things. It's a bit like a laptop pretty much. So thanks for watching guys, hopefully you found that helpful, and if you have any questions ask me in the comments. Thanks very much.